Hello friends, this is Prashant and welcome to the exciting journey of this course. In this lesson, I'm going to show you the history of C programming language. C is a computer programming language which was developed at AT&T Bell Laboratories by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. Before C programming language, there are many programming languages are available such as ALGOL, BCPL, B. But these programming languages are having their own limitations. Means ALGOL can be used to write scientific related softwares. BCPL and B can be used in system programming. Means you cannot write all the softwares with the help of one programming language. So to avoid or overcome this problem, the need of such programming language is developed which can be applied to any field. Means it can be used to write system software, application software, it can be used to design games, it can be used to write the operating system and all. Okay, so with the help of such need, C programming language is evolved. Okay, most part of the popular operating system UNIX was written in C programming language. Okay, so let's see a short video where Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie working at Bell Labs, okay, while working on Unix operating system. Okay,
back in 1969, a couple of computer scientists here at Bell Labs started to develop some programs they needed for their own use. What Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie started developing then has evolved into the UNIX operating system, which by now is widely used around the world.
We were trying to make computing as simple as possible. In the late 1960s, Dennis Ritchie and I realized that the then current operating systems were much too complex. We attempted to reverse this trend by building a small, simple operating system on a mini computer.
Well, what we wanted to preserve was not just a good programming environment in which to do programming, but a system around which a community could form, fellowship. We knew from experience that the essence of communal computing, as supplied by remote access time-sharing systems, is not just to type programs into a terminal instead of a key punch, but to encourage close communication.
Okay, let's see the evolution of C programming language. In 1960, ALGOL was introduced by International Group. In 1967, BCPL was introduced by Martin Richards. In 1970, B was introduced by Ken Thompson. Okay, in 1972, traditional C was introduced by Dennis Ritchie. And in 1978, C is introduced by Cunningham and Ritchie. In 1989, ANSI was introduced by ANSI Committee. And in 1990, ANSI, or also called as ISO-C, was introduced by the ISO Committee. And in 1999, C99 was introduced by Standardization Committee. Okay. If C99 is the improved version of C programming language, but still many available compilers do not support all the features introduced in C99. C is mostly designed for system programming, okay, but it can be applied to every field. Okay, as I told you before, it can be applied to design games, for building operating system and all. It is also used in operating system, utility programs and compilers. Okay, in this manner you can perform any operations with the help of a C programming language, and we are going to see each concept practically, okay, as we move forward in this course.